I just want to ask you folks a question. I wanted to say children, but some of you all are grown, and some of you all think you are grown. Chuckle, chuckle. But on a serious note, let me ask you, are you taking care of yourself? You say, yeah, my diet is good. But I say I'm talking about your diet of information from the word informare, which means the written, visual, and audio news you are intaking is shaping your opinions, thoughts, concepts, and beliefs. Y'all give yourself a break. Pull away sometime. Don't overload yourself. And remember, there is also news that has no reality in it. Some does, and some does not. And so give yourself a break. Y'all see this man in this picture? Every day this man overloading his system with news. And so he goes to sleep thinking about the news. He wakes up thinking about the news. And before you know it, he has overloaded himself. And think about, what is this doing to your nervous system? And what is this doing to your peace of mind? And what is this doing to your quality of life? And we have to pray and trust the Supreme Spirit to work these things out, because we know one thing, that evil will not win and good always triumph over evil. We saw this from a child. If you remember a lot of the cartoons we watched, it always had a villain. It always had good folks, and the good folks always won. Y'all take care. Don't overload yourself now.